Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here to show you how to make the antiqued Navette leaf earrings featuring Nunn design. So here's the earring that we'll be making, and let me pull in our supplies. Now this features some pieces from the Nunn Design Winter 2020 collection. So we'll be working with these beautiful Navette leaf-shaped pieces and a bead. And then up around here, we've got some more metal ways of those same shapes in the double cone beads and the beautiful faceted rectangle beads, the navettes, and some hexagons in about a 1/2 inch size. We've got 1 inch drops in all 3 colorways, and also these really neat curved rectangles that are just about 2 inches long. A couple of little hearts here, and also some new earring hooks that are the V style, and they come down about 33 millimeters. So you can see here I have an alternative design inspiration for you. This is the Rustic Love earring, and we'll be looking at a technique that helps us to block up some larger holes of beads using wire wraps. So to get started, what I'll be using is 24 gauge wire in the Hematite color. And for tools, I have some flush cutters, round nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. So I'm going to bring in my ruler and cut the wire at about 6 inches. We're giving ourselves plenty of length to create some extra coils. Let me bring in my pliers here, and I'm going to create a wrapped wire loop on one side by gripping down about 1 inch, angling at 90 degrees, and use my round nose plier here to come up and over that prong and make myself a loop that's equal to my previous earring. Before I latch that, I'm going to bring in my little Navette pieces here. There is a slight front and back to these. They're a little bit sharper on the back and curved on the front, so I'm going to make sure I know which is which. I'm going to bring on one at a time and get those angled the way I want, with the silver in the front and the gold in the back, and that's inverse to the other earring there, you'll notice. So once I have those latched on, I'm going to grip with my round nose plier and coil with my flat. Create about three coils. Now this is actually going to get lost inside of the bead that we're going to string on, as you'll see. And the hole of the bead is large enough that it just slides right over that wrap. And I liked the fluid look of that coming out sort of as a simple wire loop look, but it has the structure of the wrapped wire loop. Now up on the top, I am going to want to feature a wrapped wire coil, and so I'll show you how to do that with this larger sized bead. So what we're going to do is grip the wire, again with the round nose pliers, angle off so that I've left myself some space for coils, come up and over the top, check my size to match it to the other earring, and come around. I'm going to coil and fill that space just as I would with a wrapped wire loop. And when I hit that bead, I'm going to work my way back over the top of my wrap. And that's going to double up that coil and create a little stopper, kind of like a bead would. And I really like that artisan look. It goes well with Becky's designs and creates a nice flow. You could also do sort of a nested look if you wanted to be a little more relaxed about it. Make sure that's straight. And then all we need to do is put on our earring hook. Now I also noticed that I've created my loop in such a way that my navettes aren't going to be facing forward. So I want to grip this up and actually just gently rotate. And you can do that if you find that you're not headed in the right direction with your pieces. So now that I've got that front facing, I'm going to take my V-style earring hook and just slide that loop off to the side. Get my loop from the wrapped wire loop on there and close it up. And so there we have 2 beautiful mixed metal earrings featuring the Nunn Design Winter 2020 collection. I also wanted to pull in this earring real quick and show you that the bottom does have that double coil on it. And if you were to do that, what you want to do is make the single coil, leave the tail on your wire and slide the bead on, create your top wrap, and that way you've blocked yourself in a nice tight way to come back over the first coil. if you want some extra support in that process. So that's my tip there, and I hope you enjoyed this video. All these supplies are available at Beadaholique.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification button. We make new videos every week, and we hope you join us. Thanks so much for watching.